Alright, we're back. Looked at it. I found some parts. Shocked. So there's a low gear one. And I got some parts here. Oh, this has been butchered. Someone actually cut a new groove in there to do something stupid with it. So there's what we're talking about, the location of the finger here. You see how it's got a little offset to it. Alright, and there's that. So let's see if we can determine what's going on here. Still got to take it apart, but at least this way I can see something slightly different. Okay, so this one here is a real pile of crap here. Now these changed in '79, and my guess is this is probably a late one. I don't think that's the correct part. Yeah. 79 is different. Different grooves this thing got on it. Oh, they were doing all kinds of cutting on this piece of crap. This one's well butchered. These components here are not telling me what I want to know. They're too junk. I remember I pulled apart a '79 tranny that was put together in a Harley shop by an expert. This is obviously the crap he was working on. He did not know that there was different parts between '79 and '78 and earlier. Alright, so that's not going to help me. That thing's a pile of crap. I could go up and look for some more parts, but it doesn't really matter. What matters is what's wrong with this one. And I know I got a good one right here. So let's just take it apart, see what we got in here. Okay, so right now with this one here, it's rotated back right now, it looks like a little bit. Let's see if we can compare this to what's on the bottom. Kind of looks like it's about the same. It's so hard to tell when you're in a bike without having it assembled yet. It's really difficult to tell. It does look like it's the same angle as what that one is, if I had to guess. Which means that's the one that's wrong, is over there. No guarantee this one's not wrong either, but just by looking at it, it looks the same. Okay, I'm going to put this straight. Like that. Okay. So right now this one here is going straight to the vise. Let's take it apart, move it one notch, and see what happens. Looks like it doesn't change much. Of course, this is rusted on, which is hard to do. Good thing I got two vices here. Over here. God damn camera. Fighting me. Stupid ass thing. I don't adjust that damn nut, it keeps changing. Okay, that one's out. That's obviously never been out of there before because it's rusted in spot. Okay, so that came out of that way. Could turn it 180. Put it back in. See if there's a difference. I see no difference. Looks pretty damn close to me to being the same damn thing. Looks the same. Alright, so that means that this is correct. This angle here looks the same to me. So that means this one's the one that's wrong. The fork is flipped, because the fork is definitely offset differently. So this one, the fork is wrong on this one. This is correct, this is wrong. Alright. That's what that proves. Put this all back together. So that's why the book didn't tell you the different how it's supposed to go together, because it doesn't matter. They're all the same. What matters is which way the fork is on the bike. They figured you'd be smart enough to do that part, so. It's torqued. Okay, so that makes no difference. Okay, so now we know what the problem is. The problem is high gear is wrong. Okay, well that makes an easy fix. Still got to pull it apart. It makes no difference which one was wrong. We still got to pull the tranny apart to fix it. So, all right, let's see how much of a pain that's going to be. It's going to be a little bit of a pain. All right. Fun. All right, be back in a minute.